Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to rotate and save pages in Adobe Acrobat. So the Adobe Acrobat lets you permanently rotate one or more pages in a PDF and save the changes. So this is useful for correcting or correcting the scanned documents or pages that appear sideways. So actually guys, you will need to open the PDF in Adobe Acrobat and then just go and select the All Tools option at the top left corner under the menu here, and then you will need to go with the organize pages, right? So actually guys, after clicking it, you will need to click the thumbnails you want to rotate and select rotate clockwise or rotate counterclockwise button and just verify that the pages are oriented correctly. Then just click on save and go to the file and save to keep the changes. And let's say they want to rotate multiple pages at once. So you will need, of course, open the organize pages option here. And then just select multiple pages or multiple page thumbnails by holding the Control or Command on Mac, Control on Windows, on your keyboard I mean, while clicking individual pages and holding Shift to select range of pages. Then just click the appropriate rotate button and save the PDF. So actually guys, it's all on the organized pages right here and on the selecting. So the more pages that you select, the more pages that you rotate. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.